call is important to us.
I just answered the phone. Oh, come on, I just need a quote. Oh, I've been holding this for days.
Your call is important to us.
Oh, scrap that. I needed a technician ASAP. I've already had a shower today.
Your call is important to us.
Getting a repair quote shouldn't feel like days of water torture. The Grout Guy changed the field service game by deploying their Agentforce service agent, Grouty. With Data 360 and Agentforce Field Service, Grouty automates phone assessments and complex quotes slashing processing times by 97%.
So the agent streamlines the scheduling process while human teams deliver their expertise.
Exactly. The Grout Guy is an Agentic Enterprise. Salesforce, the #1 Agentic CRM.